What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. Well, today I've got my hands on another new native 4K action camera with electronic image stabilization, 14 megapixel photos, waterproof housing and lots more. So this is the ThiEYE E7 Action Camera. So let's just get it out of the box and see what it looks like. So this is everything you get in the box, beginning with a user manual. You have a micro USB charging cable. So this comes with a 1100 milliamp battery. You also get this fabric carrying pouch. So you've got a few basic accessories here to get you started. So you've got a cleaning cloth, adhesive stickers, you've got a spare door latch for the waterproof housing. You've got 2 or 3 different mounts here as well. And last but not least, the action camera itself. It's in the waterproof housing. This waterproof housing will allow you to go 60 meters underwater. And here is the camera itself. So on the front you have a 170-degree wide-angle lens which can shoot 14 megapixel photos and a maximum of 4K at 30 frames per second. This camera does support electronic image stabilization at 4K and 1080p, and we will be testing that out a little later. On the back you have a 2-inch IPS LCD screen. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to your smartphone and use it as a wireless viewfinder. So let's quickly go through all the ports. So on the side you have your navigational up and down buttons. On the top you've got the shutter button and the Wi-Fi button in one. At the front we have a power button. On the other side we have a micro SD card slot, mini HDMI port and a micro USB charging port. At the bottom we've got a tripod screw and your battery compartment. So 1100 milliamp battery, which will give you around 90 minutes of recording at 4K. But let's just power on. Instantly on. So did you see how quick that powered on? It was instantly on and you're ready to shoot photos or videos. Now you have a Panasonic 34112 image sensor, which is very powerful and allows the device to switch on instantly, no loading time or waiting time, and you're ready to take photos. Let's have a quick look at the settings. Video settings, video resolution, maximum 4K at 30 frames. So 720p image stabilization won't work, but you can use image stabilization in 4K, 2K or 1080p. And finally, your photo settings, maximum resolution 14 megapixels, going all the way down to 2. So now I'm going to take this action camera out for a spin and we're going to find out how good it really is. I'll be right back. So we're testing 4K video at 30 frames per second. It's Sunday morning. It's a nice clear day today. It's not that windy, so I'm hoping the audio sounds good. I'm talking at normal volume. Image stabilization is on. Okay, so now we're going to test the image stabilization out. I'm just going to do some light jogging. Come join me, I'm done. So there you have it, guys. That was the ThiEYE E7 Action Camera. So this is another native 4K action camera, great build quality, 4K with electronic image stabilization, looks very nice and smooth. The gyro stabilization can be used in 4K, 2K and 1080p modes. You can take some great 14 megapixel shots. Battery life is also very good. The audio recorded even on a windy day sounds clear and does not distort with the wind. The only thing to mention is there is no remote control included with this kit, hence the low price. So you can pick this up for $85 or £62 in the UK. So bottom line, a very well made native 4K action camera, and at this price it's quite hard to ignore. And with that being said, I'll leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. That's all for this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.